Hello, this is Satchel Holmes Williams.
And this is Gianni.
And we are GT students in Chem 1310, and we are doing Late Night Lab 3.5, Experiment 2, titled Decomposition. In this experiment, we will be weighing copper 2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate, and we are going to be seeing what happens when it is heated up. So first, we're going to take an empty crucible, and we're going to also take a balance. We're going to place it on our workspace, making sure that it is clear from anything. Then we are going to take 5 grams of copper 2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate, and we're going to add it to the crucible. So we're adding 5 grams. Once we've added 5 grams of that, we're going to put it on top of the weighing thing, and we are going to see that it is 93 grams. This means that the crucible is 88 grams plus the 5 grams of the substance. Once we've weighed it, we're going to take it off of our scale, and we are going to put it on a Bunsen burner.
So we're going to go to Instruments to find the Bunsen burner. And then we'll hold this crucible. Right click it so you can show the contents, so you can see what happens when the reaction is heated. So then we're going to put the Bunsen burner on low, and we're going to wait to see if there is a reaction. And a reaction usually occurs if there's a color change, if a gas is formed, or something like that. So what should happen is the green compound should change to a black color, and a gas should form, which is the steam that's coming out right now. And then we're going to drag this crucible so we can re-weigh and see what happens to the mass when it was heated. You're also going to turn off the Bunsen burner because that's a safety hazard.
Right.
Okay, as we can see, the grams is 91.327, and that decreased from the original initial mass, 93 grams.
So this is our balance equation. Notice that it is the decomposition of copper 2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate. So on the left side of the yield, we have that formula there, and then we have the balanced formula or the decomposition of that on the right side. So as you can see, it was divided up into 3 different compounds, and so you can see that CuO is a solid, and that was that black solid that was produced after being heated. Then
Which is copper oxide.
Copper oxide, and then you have CO2,
carbon dioxide,
and it is a gas. That was that gas that was being released from the crucible. And then you have H2O, which is water, and whenever you have water inside of an equation, it is always a liquid, so it is noted with an L.
Okay, and so always remember to clear all your materials that you use during the lab and recycle and throw it away into the right place. And now we're done.
And remember, if you want to pass your test, you better write it on the grid sheet.